There are rumors that fetch.ai is going insolvent, that fetch.ai is going bankrupt. And since we are one of the first channels to talk about fetch.ai, and Fetch is one of our biggest AI positions, I want to tell you what I personally think is going on and what I'm personally doing as a strategy to make most gains and protect my investment as much as possible. And we're starting right now.
Hey guys, I'm Bankrupt. Remember, Paul is not a financial advisor, but he is good looking. Also, this is not financial advice. Please subscribe down below and check out my channel at Bankrupt.
Alright, so I woke up today and YouTube is flooded with videos about fetch.ai being insolvent and possibly going bankrupt. And that you should sell all your Fetch tokens ASAP. I mean, crypto does love a little bit of drama, don't they? The thing is, are these rumors true? And if yes or not, what's the best play here? What's the best strategy for you to take? Well, first of all, let's talk in detail what allegedly is going on. Actually, let's not. Other channels are doing that already. Let me give you a summary of what's going on. And then I'll tell you what I am personally doing. And yes, I am actually doing something. This is not one of those videos that are going to tell you, I'm just holding, I'm just doing nothing, I'm sitting on my hand. No, I am actually taking action on this. So in a nutshell, the rumors are that Fetch lost a court case in the UK. They have to pay $1 million or so, or £1 million. They can't do it, and there is drama going on. And this could actually become another Celsius-like situation, meaning that you'll basically lose all your shit. Now, on the other hand, fetch.ai is based in Singapore, and what's going on in the UK should not affect what's going on with Fetch in general, because most of what Fetch is doing is in Singapore. So let me tell you what I am personally doing, because from this you will see my thought process and what I believe is the best course of action. And by the way, if you are in my private group, if you are in the VIP factor, you would have already known this because I actually posted it on Sunday morning. But if you want to check out my group and if you want to know what that offers you, the links are down in the description below. Check it out and see if that's for you. So I personally converted 50% of my Fetch holdings into Ajax, into Singularity.net. And I'm looking to take another 25% into other AI coins, which I think are actually undervalued right now, and we'll mention them in just a second. Now, why am I doing this? Why am I converting 50% of my Fetch into Ajax and 25% into other coins? Well, it's quite simple. Whether this news is true or not, it's giving competition the chance to take market share. And this industry, crypto in a whole, is very aggressive, so they are gonna try and take market share, mark my words. At the same time, Fetch is a blue chip, in my opinion, when it comes to AI. Well, what's the other blue chip on the table? Singularity.net, Ajax. Now, what you may not know, what most people may not be aware of, is that not too long ago, Fetch got into a partnership with Ajax. Now, could they have known there was a problem? Could this be planned? Could Ajax be taking market share from Fetch? Maybe they capitulated or made a deal? I don't know. But Ajax buying or getting into partnership with Fetch is actually quite interesting, especially the timing of all this. Now, if this all turns out to be FUD, if Fetch is fine, then both these coins should go up in value because they are in partnership. Sometimes one will overtake the other, but they should both go up. If not, however, chances are that Ajax will take most market share since Ajax is the other blue chip play. Now you might be saying, Paul, okay, that sounds great, but what if you're wrong? What if Ajax also starts going down? What if Ajax also takes a hit? Well, that's where the other 25% I mentioned earlier comes into play. Because if that happens, then smaller, lesser known AI coins should take market share, and because of the low market cap, they should see massive gains. Coins like ChainGPT and AG, Delusium, still can't pronounce that, should make amazing gains. If not right now, when the AI narrative kicks in. Now, I'm going to be talking about these coins and more about price in just 1 second, but if you're interested in AG, I actually did a review of it right here. You can actually watch that review after this video. I'll leave it at the end as well and in the description down below if you are interested, and see if that should appeal to you. But I'm telling you right now, getting into ChainGPT and getting into AG is a great play in my opinion. And if you're wondering if this is a sponsored video, it's not. I'm not sponsored by anyone to make this video. But I did reach out to them. I did reach out to AGI or AGI. And the reason I reached out to them, because in my mind, I believe that these tokens are gonna do very well. So I reached out to them to see if I can get any potential sponsorships for this channel, with the intention to hold these tokens because of what I mentioned earlier on in this video. Now, of course, this is too short a notice. It's Sunday, so I didn't get an answer. But as you know, I'm fully transparent on this channel, so I personally believe that these will do well, so I'm making this video anyway. Now, I already converted 50% of my fetch into Ajax, into Singularity.net. And I'm looking to convert a further 25% into other tokens, especially into AG. What am I waiting for? Simple. Price action. I want to see how this plays out. But Paul, you mentioned ChainGPT earlier. Why are you only talking about AG right now? Why are you only talking about Delusium? Well, that's also simple. See, I already have a lot of ChainGPT and I'm already staking a lot of ChainGPT, but I don't have a lot of Delusium and I want to get more. Now, let me show you something else here. Here is an overview of the fetch.ai chart. And if you remember, not too long ago, we actually converted our Ajax into fetch. So we've already made bigger profits. Now, let me show you here. If you look at the daily, it did go down right here to 54 cents. It bounced up to 55 and now looks like it's going down. Look at the weekly and you can actually see that it's probably on the way to retest this level of 54 cents. And if it breaks down below this, that will confirm a drop in price, at least in the short term. We will see what happens in the long term. But it's safe to say that for a while, other coins will outperform it. You can also verify this on the monthly chart, which does look like it got support, but if it breaks this, we will be in a downtrend. On the other hand, Singularity.net looks a lot better. As you can see, it broke up on the daily, made this support, went back up, and let's see if this makes a higher low. Go to the 7-day, you will see it's actually extremely bullish. It broke this resistance over here, and yes, it's going to the upside. Go to the monthly, higher lows are going in, bullish pattern over here. Yearly, we're looking to break this resistance over here, make this resistance range into support, and see if we can break up. So you can see why the play is important between fetch and Ajax. Now let me show you AGI. Now if you look at AGI here, you can actually see it's already benefiting here on the daily. Let's see if that lasts. Let's go to the weekly. Confirmed on the weekly, breaking above this range, breaking above this resistance here and making it support. Look at the monthly. Monthly tells a similar story. Let's see if we can break this resistance 51 right here, 0.051, then break above 0.054. And then basically, if you go to the all chart, you can see resistance levels here at 0.07, then around 11 cents. Break this and you can actually see the potential here, but being a smaller market cap means it can go up a lot faster. Now, of course, this is not technical analysis. This is a technical overview. It takes hours to do technical analysis, but these are my thoughts. This is what I'm looking at, and this is what I'm going off of with everything else I mentioned when it comes to fetch. Now, if you want to know more about AGI, make sure you watch this video here. You don't want to miss that video. That is a review from AGI. And if you want to know my favorite AI coins, check out this video right here. Don't forget to subscribe. and I'll see you in the next video.